Northeast guys ta. Alam niyo na, water bridge to water bridge lang tayo.
They're on
Ikot
me,
lang tayo
they're
ng
on.
ikot ha. Sige, ikot lang tayo ng ikot ng water bridge ha. Yun ang play natin ha.
They're still on me, They're still on me.
Defensive tanks watch my flank, lalo yung east gate natin.
Masyadong kalma natin.
Sige lang, sige lang. Sila naman lalapit sa atin.
Clear the rock. Clear this rock. Mag-i-stun to.
Yan ba sila? Andiyan na sila?
Ito. Ito na yung, andito yung color nila. Asan na ito yung color nila?
Fuda. Fuda Pinosi. Look natin. Okay, we got the fight. We got brawl comp guys ha. Huwag kayo ma-pressure. We're gonna full kite pag after we hit ha. After we hit, we're gonna full kite.
Huwag tayo mag-deep engage dyan.
Wag. Using
Okay,
double
this
sa Using double dun sa gitna lang ng bridge.
Bakit yung heavy mace sa south mo? Pwede natin engage.
Everyone, we're gonna engage shot ha. Engage natin tong tank na to. Ay, ano ba to? Helmet? Okay, everyone na. Engage natin tank. Tank kain. 5, 4, engage. Delete this. Defensive tanks, hold the choke ha. Defensive tanks, hold the choke. Listen, patayin nyo na yung tank nila. Don't let them engage. Okay, east side. Kay tayo. East agad. Patch. Okay, northeast. Don't get left behind. Northeast. Nice. Everyone northeast. Sige, keep going northeast. 5 seconds. We're gonna engage southwest ha. Chu, I want, ako muna, engage ako. Fake lang ako. West side, Chu. Find the shield in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sa shield. Hit the shield. Nice one, everyone. Kite artist. Help time. Patay sa timing. Kite artist. Kiss and double shot ang tang na to. Mamatay na to. Kiss and double shot niya. Asan yung flanks ko? Go, help. West side, shock in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, life press ko. Asan ka na? Kill this. Patay niyo pa. Kaya pa ba? Captain, kite artist. Starters pala. This is the bridge. Northwest na. Press the choke. Defensive tanks have that. Northwest. Okay, cross the choke. Keep going, Zeki. Have Zeki.